So finally, after a lot of struggle, I have managed to reach this place. Hi guys and good morning. So welcome to Visuals of My Life and my name is Siddhi. So today I decided to make my way to the Jhajjar Kotli. So it's currently 6:30 in the morning and I am on the National Highway, standing on the National Highway on my way to Jhajjar Kotli. So actually पहले ऐसा प्लान था कि around sunrise I'll be there, but somehow I got late because of none other than Mr. Peanut. I have him along with me. So उसी की वजह से I got slightly late and yes, so making the best of this journey. So let's start with this vlog and let's go. So Jhajjar Kotli, if you're coming from Jammu, it's around 30 kilometers from the main city and it's a beautiful place. Actually मुझे यहाँ पे याद आता है कि जब हम स्कूल में होते थे तो it used to be our stop point. मतलब कहीं पे भी पिकनिक वगैरह जा रहे होते थे ना स्कूल के साथ या फिर कॉलेज पे, कहीं पे भी तो एक मिड पॉइंट में ये जगह पड़ती है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर और खूबसूरत है. इसका मेन एंट्रेंस एक ऊपर वाले पॉइंट से ही है. आई केम डाउन फ्रॉम द शॉर्टकट बिकॉज ऊपर आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड और सम सिचुएशन हैपनिंग देयर उन्होंने लॉक करके रखे हैं अभी गेट. तो मैं नीचे वाले रास्ते से आई हूँ एंड यू कैन सी द वाटर इज़ क्रिस्टल क्लियर. And since it is early morning अभी तो you do not see much of a crowd also coming here in the morning. It's completely surreal और मुझे बहुत दिनों के बाद इतना अच्छा लगा एकदम नेचर के बीच में आके. You have this cool stream of water running below you, feeling totally rejuvenated and excited about this place today. तो झज्जर कोटली बहुत ही फेमस पिकनिक स्पॉट है जम्मू का. आई थिंक हर कोई स्कूल या कॉलेज का बच्चा जो भी जम्मू में पढ़ा है झज्जर कोटली हमेशा आए ही होंगे बिकॉज स्कूल्स के लिए बहुत ही इजी ऑप्शन रहता था कि कहाँ चलना है, चलो झज्जर कोटली चलते हैं, पिकनिक मना के आते हैं. I think this was the best weekend so far I've had after COVID. Because early morning spending time with nature hits you on a completely different level, isn't it? So make sure if you're visiting Jammu, don't forget to check out this place while you're making your way up to the hills. For example, if you're moving towards the Vaishno Devi temple that is in Katra, or you were moving towards Sanasar or Patni Top or some other hill stations in Jammu itself, so make sure you're taking a halt at this place and enjoy the scenic beauty around here. Have some tea, have some coffee, have your breakfast and then proceed further. Hey guys, so I am back from the Jhajjar Kotli. तो मैं सुबह अपने घर से 6 बजे के करीब निकली थी and currently it's 9:30 AM and I must say after a very long time it was a very nice start to my weekend. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. It was very refreshing and rejuvenating. So in case by any chance you're planning to come to Jammu or maybe after the things get better you're planning to come here, do stop by this place. Make sure you give a halt here and enjoy the nature. The beautiful stream of water flowing down through the hills is really refreshing. So I hope you enjoyed watching this chota sa vlog as well, and do not forget to click that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.